You seem to be making yourself quite comfortable here, my boy.
I'm just trying to fit in.
By fighting? By making a nuisance of yourself? That is not the Bullworth way, boy.
Yeah, you could have fooled me.
What?
I said you could have fooled me. This place is full of bullies and maniacs.
Nonsense! That's just school spirit. Hijinks. Why, in my day, we felt nothing of castrating the new boys. I want you to stop this nonsense, Hopkins. I want you to behave yourself. You might learn something.
Fine. Can I go now, sir?
On your way.
Hey, I saw you sucking up to Crabble Snitch.
What? Shut up!
Screw you, new kid. This is what we do to teachers' pets around here.
You better not... Ow! Come here, you little...
Yeah, come and get me.
What are you gonna do about it? What you gonna do? Excuses in the hot dog. You can lick my shoe sole. Here's what I think of you. I saw it. You ran towards the fountain. You look so wrong. Okay, you better run.
You're hitting yourself again.
I ain't gonna forget. How'd I lose? What are you doing?
Glad that's done.
You look so stupid. You're dead meat. Lay off. Move it. Here I come. You can't hide from the pain train. Get down on the floor with both hands behind your head.
Loser! I wonder what I heard about you! Have you ever, been in love? Maybe Bullworth hired the professor of Sumerian toxins.
Why'd she leave? Oh, that was dirty! Keep running, it won't help! You better not damage me!
So that's a good idea, right?
Yeah, okay. All right, sure. I'll do it.
Hey man, what's going on?
Not much.
I was just telling Petey here about my idea to take over the school. I mean, my plan for us to take over the school.
What plan?
Don't worry, Jimmy. It's just a little something I came up with. It's sink or swim, my friend. And if you're good at swimming, you gotta let the losers drown. Why don't you guys leave the thinking up to me?
What?
What? What the? Can't you say anything else? You know what, Petey? You were right. Jimmy is pretty dumb.
What'd you say about me?
Whoa, nothing, no. All I said was that you had to be pretty dumb to get expelled from so many schools, that's all.
Relax, James. All he said was that you must be dumb. Or maybe you're all messed up because you came from a broken home.
What'd you say about me, dwarf?
Come on, dude. Chill.
No. Gary's taking everything out of context, man.
Whoa. Don't lie, Petey. Don't you lie. Because you know what happens to liars?
No, I'm not lying.
We kick them in the balls! Come on, Jimmy, let's go see how good you are with this new slingshot I heard you had. Don't worry, friend. Nothing escapes my notice. I hear everything. You and me, we can do things.
Ow.
Come on, little brain! This way!
I can sleep with my eyes.
Look familiar? I want. Oh, hi!
What's the dealio, dude?
Why do you have to do that?
Leave me alone, jerk! You'll never amount to anything!
See if you can knock out the windows of that bus. I want to see your long-range skill. See if you can get it with your slingshot. You do have some talent. I guess you are good at something. Come on, let's go to the football field.
You're going with me! I always get my man!
I wish I could do something wild and exciting.
Wrestling is great.
How's it go? There's gotta be a career out there for me. Make lots of money.
Go hide in that tree.
There goes my stuff.
Call the trainer.
That was easy.
You ain't worth it, but oh well. You're gonna wish you weren't born. Stop running, you little bastard. Move! You're sweet like candy. You don't want it. I'm gonna make you beg. Stop running, you little bastard. I'm gonna kick. I'm all state beat down tough. I'm gonna hurt you. Come on, Charlie. Don't get up next time. Moving along, folks, before I get upset. I hope the police got no have time right now. Otherwise, I'd have to lay you out. Got people to do the thinking for me. So I can't believe that just happened. You don't. Maybe I can get Mandy alone later.
I've got your pound cake right here. I'm sure he was just kidding when he called me annoying.
Greetings, friend. I have
You
no
got
problem,
Hi there.
bozo.
Hey! That's use of deadly force!
I don't understand why people are so serious.
Is that a weapon?
You think you're tough, huh?
Cool.
What can I do?
Stop that
Ever since
immediately!
Go on, Petey. Go cry to the teacher. Tell them I was nasty to you.
Shut up, Gary. You're such a jerk, man.
Oh, am I, Petey? Oh, you're so cutting. I'm really upset. Actually, I think I'm gonna go cry. Then I'd be just like you. Cry, little girl. Oh, look out. Here comes Jimmy.
Just knock it off, Gary. You're out of line.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was hanging out in the girls' dorm. Silly me.
Shut up, man. You're boring.
Boring? I'm boring. You're none too interesting yourself, friend. Look, I'm sorry, both of you. I apologize, okay? I just get a little overexcited. Forgive me.
Forget it. It's cool.
Anyway, I've got a good idea for some fun. Let's go out and torment someone really helpless and unfortunate. That homeless guy. Come on. You coming, little Petey? Come on, I'm sorry. I'll give you a kiss if that's what you want.
Shut up.
Then come on. This is gonna be fun.
Harassing some old homeless guy is fun.
It is. And you should be grateful you're not the victim for once.
Why would Mr. Hattrick call me
Hey,
a
Jimmy,
twerp?
tell me about this guy. Does he like to go in his own pants?
What is this, a marathon? Guess you're not a big
You're both idiots.
Come on, girlie, fight!
You're real losers. Here's hoping someone gets badly hurt.
I'm gonna enjoy this.
You're pathetic, and I'm not getting it.
I'm gonna give you something to tell your therapist. You're gonna hate me forever. I keep imagining myself in charge of a large empire. I despise weak people.
Adolescence is like being tortured. Excuse me. Jimmy.
Where is this dirty old perv?
You know, you're not very nice, Gary.
And you're a loser, Petey. One of life's unfortunates.
Get out of here, you little scum!
So I guess the rumors are true, Jimmy. Your dad does live on campus. You jerk! Ow! Let's leave this guy to his welfare payments. Come on, let's get out of here.
Just get out of here, kid.
Why should I?
Because otherwise I'll kill you.
What's your problem?
That's a long story. You got any liquor?
No, I'm 15.
Well, what about drugs?
No!
Then why shouldn't I kill you?
All right then, tough guy, kill me.
You know what, kid? I like your style. You got guts. When I was on that ridge in Korea, watching my buddies get killed by friendly fire, I could have used somebody like you.
Yeah? Thanks.
But I bet you can't fight. You do me a favor, and I'll show you some real moves. Classified moves. Real special army stuff.
Cool.
Just get me a part for my radio, and I'll show you what the army taught me.
What, like how to get shot by your own side?
Exactly.
I'm afraid someone will be scared.
I'm going to practice some of those.
They can screw you around.
If there's tracks nearby,
You're on the wrong side of
Let me clean that spot on your face.
I'll hang on to that. Anytime you're ready, hero.
retard.
I found a comb in my hair.
kid. You're one of the good ones. I learned this one from this crazy guy I served with. Yeah, okay, he was my brother. Show some heart, kid. You got some real promise, Jimmy. Come on, man, come on! Don't forget to bring me a transistor when you come back.
That's that nonsense dealt with.
You lose this? I just hate you!
So cool.
I'll teach you what it means to be perfect.
Hands off now.
You can't mess with me. Come on, Pansy!
Okay.
Sit your stairs. Stop.
Wise choice.
You're...
You don't have any sound.
Stop being idiots! Get a room, losers!
Your mama hits better.
You gonna cry now? You ain't done. Just what I was looking for. Ew.
Oh, so you're the new kid, huh? Everyone is talking about you.
Oh, are they? And what are they saying?
Nothing. Just that you're friends with that sociopath Gary.
Socio what?
Sociopath. It means... Never mind. Forget I said anything. I need you to help me.
Wait, you need me to help you?
I've got some library books that need to be returned, but I'm too scared to go to my locker.
Do I look like a librarian?
No, listen. I need your help. Pretend we're friends. Walk with me. I'll pay... I'll pay you $2.
$2? Are you crazy? Make it 5.
No. $2?
Great. $5. Let's go, buddy.
My mom calls me Prince Algae. She says I'm really special. Like a prince, you know?
Potassium, RB is rubidium, CS is cesium, FR is francium. These are alkali metals.
You know, Lo, you really have to pee when you get nervous. I do. I get nervous a lot.
Hey, Algernon, I heard you wet your bed again.
Just you. It has felt like ages since I've seen you last. I'm scared.
Will you please stand watch? Last time I went in there, they made me eat a urinal.
What's his problem?
Leave him alone.
I'm gonna make you the laughing stock of the school! I love you.
Fear not, my friend. I can't see a hay spell. You're all moving so fast.
I've been thinking a lot about snails recently. They're slimy.
Greetings and salutations.
I've already wet myself
wish
once
I had
this
a
month.
unicorn.
If I do it
One
again,
day,
they'll never let me
girls
hear the
like
end of it.
me.
To be on time is to be late.
Sayonara.
Salutations. Bye now. Be careful out there.
My friend.
See you
Go to
later.
class, now!
Bye now.
Arrivederci.
Be careful
I wonder,
out there.
did Arnie receive my
See
application?
you later.
Sayonara.
I need more growth hormone.
Please, no beer.
Cover me! I'm going in! Hey! Were there two people in that stall?
Trench said they went into the
I can't believe anyone likes condiments. I mean,
No more messing!
I can't.
You wanna see it? When I'm done with you, your jaw's gonna be wide shut! Are you hurting yet?
Jimmy, did you ever play Cross and Gremlins? It's really key. It's like a hero who kicks asses. I always wonder what it'd be like to be big. It feels so good.
God!
This is what I think of school spirit.
Oh, God, my ribs!
They told me to always wash my hands. I feel much better.
Why are boys so confusing? I just don't get them.
Here it is. Thanks, Jimmy. Here's the cash. I'll tell my mom that not everyone at Bullworth is mean. All right. Why hasn't Mommy called me yet?
I'm so sorry. Sorry, but I have to go study. Why do I get so nervous around boys?
You're an embarrassment to the human race.
Please don't hurt me. My mom will be upset.
Popper!
I think I'm getting emotionally scarred. Please let me go.
You're nothing but a road trash.
So listen, I really need your help. I guess so. Thanks. Not too bad.
That window's been broken 6.
I don't ever want to graduate and give up being a prefect.
Much obliged.
Another good deed done. I wonder.
Give it back!
Or what?
Or, well, just give it back!
Are you threatening me, Metal Mouth?
No, just give it back! You can't just steal things from me!
Unfortunately for you, my pig ugly friend, that is exactly what I can do. In fact, I can do anything I like in this place. Anything at all. Ciao, Spotty.
Give it back!
And you should stay out of the girls' dorm, you little perv. Ugh, I see you undressing me with your eyes. Sicko.
You wish.
Please, will you help me?
Do I have to?
Yes, it's vital. She's stolen my lab notes. Without them, I'm gonna fail chemistry and I'll never get into med school. Now I won't find the cure for cancer. Basically, the future of the whole world rests on those notes.
What's in it for me?
Well, if you get them back, I'll kiss you.
Ugh. That's okay.
Well, okay, but if you don't, I'll tell the whole school you're some kind of sad sicko who spies on girls getting changed in their dorm.
Relax. One set of lab notes coming up.
You are violating your academic contract. You ready to meet your makers? Park your glutes at a desk, ASAP. Stop in the name of the Bullworth Academy. Stop that immediately. I will beat you for that. Stop that. Oh! Bullworth ordered.
Up yours. What? I won't stop until you are apprehended. I don't get how the race is getting but I will defeat you. I can sense you're scared. Why? Here you go.
Oh, Jimmy, thank you. You're wonderful.
Hope you don't mind.
Thank you for being my partner for this project.
There was never any doubt. Oh, cool.
Blood bumping coming through.
One day, girls.
Move, nerd!
How original. Call me a nerd. What next? 4 eyes? Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me.
Alright, you ask boy.
What's this? Class president.
Class president, dummy. It says class president.
know.
That's you?
I'm the most suitable candidate I know.
Yeah, so's your mom.
Yeah, right.
Oh,
Yeah, dude.
Don't forget to wipe. How's the campaign, Ernest?
You'll vote for me, won't you?
Yeah, not a chance.
What if I pay you?
Pay me? Now you're talking.
I always knew I was a born leader.
Yeah, but unless you buy everyone's vote, you're never gonna win. Because they are definitely gonna ruin your speech at the debate.
Oh, unless I had a security manager. Oh, please, please,
I don't know.
please,
Security
please,
managers, they cost a
please.
lot of money.
Oh, I have money. I can pay you.
Good. I've always been a politician at heart.
Your attention, please. Hitting other students with educational
So you want to get beat down?
is strictly forbidden.
Welcome. I won't mince words, my friends. This school needs help. My help. How many of you out there feel abused by society? Let down by the establishment? Brutalized? I feel your pain, my children. Do not despair. Salvation is here, my friends.
Sit on this, you prick.
By choosing me as your leader, we will usher in a new era of education. Abusive prefects, gone. Lackluster teaching, gone. Physical education, gone. Bullworth will be the model for a pure academic curriculum. Ouch! That's just not right! Money no longer wasted on silly musicals or crafts. Opponent, have you believe that sports are more meaningful for your future than decent textbooks and competent teachers? Ow! Why is this happening? Excellent job, artist! I think you swallowed this. Suck on this. What have cause pain and misery. Hey, stop it! Why are my opponents ouch! This is intolerable! Good looking and muscular. Ow! Why is this happening? And have the attention of the school bimbos. Teacher's pet just doesn't have what it takes to be president. Right here. There are some who claim I don't represent the masses. What's up, maggot? Let me tell you, I've been beat up just as much as you. It's time for change for the better. A vote for Ernest means a vote for the triumph of brains over brawn. In closing, remember, a vote for E means a vote for me. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Job well done.
Help your fellow Bullworth Academy.
I'm sure this year will be much better than last. I hope.
Does my breath
Hey, you! I
I
really
hope my
like
breath
Rome.
doesn't. Hi.
You thicko!
Mom says I have a real temper. We'll see.
Bite me, dillweed!
I think I'm getting emotionally scarred.
Hey, what's going on?
Not much. I was just lying here wishing I could be more like you.
Yeah, whatever.
But I'm cursed.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, cursed by brains. Do you know what torture it is to be thinking all the time? No, of course you don't.
Yeah, you're cursed. You're great. Whatever. What else is going on?
Not much. Let me see. It's Halloween. All the prefects are at some party and the teachers are entertaining. I use that word loosely, the kids. No, I'd say the opportunities for fun are pretty much nil.
What do you have in mind?
Come on, you'll see. Let's go get Pete. I got him a real nice costume.
Guys,
Your mama gets no, you look fine. Don't be a baby.
here's hoping no, I look like a jerk.
It's like watching dogs mate.
Sir, please help.
You're real losers.
Thank you.
Been really judgmental.
Thank
Here's
you.
hoping someone gets badly hurt.
Somebody hurt someone.
Why does English class have to be so hard?
I want to watch.
Hey, Jimmy!
No
you can help me
problem.
out? Cool, thanks.
I heard that.
You all right?
There's gotta be some sort of secret entrance. Will you help me, Jimmy?
Sounds okay.
I'm so bored. What a loser. I can't stand it here. What if I never leave Bullworth?
You look so stupid.
Could you help me, Jimmy?
Yeah, I guess so.
Thanks.
She totally wants
Have you ever snuck out with Lois? Oh.
Look, I hate to ask,
Yeah,
but
sure.
I need your help, man. Thanks a lot.
This way.
You're a failure.
I'll be a virgin until I die.
Jimmy. Who cares if I can't get it right the first time?
You that shit, huh? What she was doing? Your mama dresses you funny.
General Cutler made a tragic mistake.
What's with the door?
Okay, here's the deal. We're gonna feed Chad's dog some of this rancid meat. Wait for him to take a dump, and then...
What the hell? I'm out of here.
Whatever, Pete. Okay, let's do this, Jim. I'll explain the rest later. Get over here, you little mutt. Here you go, boy. How about a little trick for a treat? Yum, 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 yum.
That's gross.
Score! All right, let's go to the teacher's lounge. You lead on.
Oh, hi there.
I guess friendship means nothing.
Did you get dressed in the dark today?
I've got the best hand all of them. I'm hungry for some action.
I can't. Don't worry. It'll be funny. Okay, get ready.
What the devil is going on out here? Oh, God damn it!
Nice one, Jimmy.
No sweat. Get the hell out of here
Did I hear someone around here? Did you get dressed in the
Did you hear
dark
about
today?
this really ugly...
Yeah, you look real quick.
Nice pants, wimp! Butts are gonna roll!
This place is starting to get too crazy. That's it. You're dead. Stop it! You hear the Vance got caught taking the tranquilizers? What a low-life loser. You're dead.
I'm telling on you!
See if you can escape.
You are such a friggin' wimp!
Hey, pally.
I don't ever want to graduate.
Bunch of thieving jerks!
What's up, Melvin?
Ah, greetings. Jimmy, listen. Some ruffians took it upon themselves to steal my Grottos and Gremlins character sheets and won't return them. We're playing tonight. The whole situation is untenable.
Grottos and Gremlins? Boy, you are sad.
Sad? I'm distraught! Role-playing is the high point of human achievement. In fact, upon reflection, I am prepared to offer a bag of groats to the fair knight, whomsoever recovers these precious screens. Do you accept the quest?
How much?
10 groats.
What?
I mean $10.
Wait here.
And you can have your pick of my wenches.
Great.
See you later.
This is the funnest piece of paper I've ever had. What? Look out your bus, skinny boots. Whatever. How do you like that?
He's in here so much. What's up?
Before I get upset.
Hey, what's with the unfair fight?
Stop that immediately!
This looks useful.
Oh, come on!
There's no such thing as magic, dweeb!
You don't have to be so mean. Wonder why no one picked this up.
People, and don't you forget.
just looking for one of those.
Hello.
I just can't speak retard.
Please help us, Jimmy!
Now I've got you! Having fun?
Hey, the dirt!
Are you hurting yet?
Let go!
What's wrong?
Mine.
What would you call a yard thick in the metric?
Your trousers are kind of flattering. It would be
No, classes are starting. No need for complex reasons.
All right, you've got something of Melvin's. Give it up.
All right, I'll give it to you if you beat my friend in a little game. He kicks you in the nuts, and you kick him in the nuts until one of you gives up. If you win, you get the sheep. If not, we keep.
That's just stupid.
Maybe, but I go first.
That's some funny stuff right there. I smell free food.
That's so not fun.
You're gonna win. Next time, I'm gonna.
That Russell shirt has great delts. I am not confused.
You recovered my precious documents. Thank you, sir. You are a noble man indeed. Just give me the money, Melvin. You have earned it. And don't forget about the wenches. Holy moly, sweet! I wish I was a centaur. I wish I had a... I'm good. That's all there is to it.
Understand. Do you think that Johnny and Biff will fight each other?
Guess you're not addicted to breeding, huh?
There you are. Come on, I found something incredible.
Hold on, relax, man. I can't keep getting in trouble. I can't get expelled again.
It's always about me with you. Me. I'm thinking bigger picture, and you're worrying about getting into trouble? You know what? You really are something.
What bigger picture?
We are gonna take over this school.
We are not taking over anything right now.
Time and tide wait for no man, my friend. But it seems they do wait for a wannabe tough guy who's nothing but a little girl.
You're full of it.
So you keep telling me, look, now come on. I promise you, after this, things are never gonna be the same again. Oh, I'm so excited. I should have stopped taking those pills ages ago.
Yeah, right. Whatever you say, Gary.
Greetings, comrades. Greetings, friend. Fatty has arrived.
Hey, idiots! Jimmy's gonna kick your ass! Right,
We're
Jimmy?
switching
I'm
out.
gonna
Coming
give
your
you
way.
something to tell your therapist! Come on, you're gonna hate me!
Stop! This is great!
I'm gonna make your life a misery!
Get closer!
You're pathetic!
Oh, so you're gonna start fighting?
Sorry, but I have to go study.
We make a great team!
Word up, Coolio.
After you! This is a little different from how I remember it. You better lead the way. I think that switch over there.
Let's see what this...
Not here. Follow me. That cage wasn't locked before.
This should do something.
Not here. Follow me. We can't get in there. How can we get at the switch? Hey, Jimmy! See if you can knock the broom over somehow. Jimmy! Over here! Now here's another switch I used to... Whoa! Live wires! Almost there! Huh. A steam leak. I've heard of those happening, but I've never seen one. Oh, there's a fire extinguisher in front. Maybe that can be used to cool the furnace.
I might need that.
Oh, there's a fire extinguisher in plain view. Maybe that can be used to cool the furnace. If you could lower the furnace temperature a bit, I bet the steam would stop. If you could lower the furnace temperature, quick, before it heats up again. It's right down there. So, Jimmy boy, here we are, the hole. The place where this school separates the men from the boys, the wheat from the chaff, and all that nonsense.
Okay, so what's that got to do with standing up to people, keeping them in line?
This is where I stand up to you, my friend.
What are you talking about?
I know you hate me, Jimmy boy. I know you said all that stuff about me behind my back.
What are you talking about?
Don't play innocent with me. You want to run this school? I want to run this school. Only one of us is gonna make it. And it's gonna be me! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and morons, I give you Russell!
Oh, man.
Me, Russell!
Gary, now I hate you.
I know, Russell. Go beat that little jerk who said that nasty stuff to me about your mom and those barnyard animals.
What? Come here. Russell wants vengeance. Atomic, what you made him bleed.
now, jerk?
Ecstatic! I love to watch two morons beat the crap out of each other.
Why'd you do it, Gary? I thought we were friends.
Friends? You and me. I've taken dumps that had more brains than you, friend. No, I'm taking over this school, and you're just a liability. See you around, moron!
Well done, Jimmy.
Yeah, great. What a waste of time.
You all right, Russell?
Yeah?
Look, I never said anything about your mom or farmyard animals.
You did it?
No, but I want you to stop bullying weak kids.
Why?
Because there are a bunch of kids around this place who need a beating, and you're picking on the few who don't. So I want you to leave me and him alone.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Bad Russell.
With Russell pacified, I could be forgiven for thinking my troubles at Bullworth were over. But this place is a rotten onion. Peel off one stinking layer, and there's another even smellier one beneath.
Well, Jimmy, word on the street is you're something of a pugilist.
No, sir, I never pugilized in my life.
Really? And that you've been saying some entertaining things about me and some barnyard animals.
No, I never said that.
Well, I listen to things, Hopkins. You try and stay out of trouble. Now go see the cook down in the kitchen. Helping her might teach you some humility.
Okay, sir.
Hey, new kid. You're that guy that beat up Russell.
So, what's it to you?
Hey, listen, we like to box, the noble art and all that. Why don't you come down by our gym in old Bullworth Vale? We should definitely hang out. Yeah, I've heard a lot of things about you.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
You should be ashamed